Can you show me your eggs? Do they smell? Are we doing the Easter eggs? Easter eggs. Ooh. No, you've got to leave those ones to dry. Hey, put those back. Put those back. What color is that? Yellow and red. Here, put it back and put the red one right there. That's the blue one.
The blitz.
Yes, can you put them back?
The blitz.
Yes.
The blitz.
Really? Do you like doing eggs? Is this fun? Hey! All right. Jeez, look at, they're breaking. Oh my goodness.
Onions.
Oh goodness.
Funny.
Fun? Oh no. Oh no. Oh geez.
Game.
Okay, we got to take these ones out.